You said it is 1919 or N9?
98, 98,
90.
98,000.
No, when her salary is 98,000, Mr.
Yes.
Raj, when her salary is, I was under the impression it is 19.
No, 98.
No, the read
No, 98,000.
Yes.
His salary is 1,16,000.
1,50,000.
This is not like a, because the matrimonial cases are pending. That is a right. As of right, the wife should have maintained.
Not because of that. But look, the court took into account the fact that I have 8 parents, both are retired. Look, my husband's mother stays in Kuwait.
Was he taking care of your parents before when both of you are together? No. Then that is not his concern at all.
7,500 rupees.
So even if both of them are together,
Yes.
will he pay maintenance for his mother's
Then
maintenance?
then I would be taking care of my mother. He would be taking care of me.
It's not a simple case where she's seeking annulment of
Yes,
marriage
madam.
on the ground.
Exactly.
No, if both of us agree to file a petition for divorce by consent, then I can withdraw my annulment petition and mutual consent.
No, in fact, I'd even proposed that, my lord. In fact, when they went and filed a police complaint now in 2023 or 498 complaint, I'd even proposed to pay an entire sum of 10 lakhs as full and final settlement, close the matter. But she wants 60 lakhs. It's a husband's petition, my lord. A petition for nullity of marriage, my lord, wherein an application was filed under section 24, seeking interim maintenance.
How much is granted?
7,500, my lord. 7,500 granted. The wife is working, my lord. She's a BCom MBA and earns, she's a BCA MBA marketing and earns as per her salary slip 98,000 per month, my lord. 98,000.
Any children out of the
No children, my lord. Now, my lord,
1,000 is her salary. What
yes.
is your salary?
My traces indicate, my lord, 1,16,000, my lord.
1 lakh?
16,000.
1,16,000.
Yes, my lord.
Oh.
Now, notwithstanding this, my lord, they were in a relationship from 2012, my lord. They met in 2012, got married in 2017. 2019, she files this petition, my lord, saying that she has now discovered that he's unable to consummate the marriage after about 20 months of living together. And she leaves the house in July 2019. Now, in that petition, my lord, he files a petition for a counterclaim for restriction of conjugal rights. And the matter is pending, my lord. Now, this application is filed simultaneously with the filing of the main petition in 2019. They don't urge it till 2024, my lord. Now, she files, as per the direction in Neha versus Rajneesh, she files her assets and liabilities in 2021, my lord. So, when the salary slip that was considered by the learned trial judge is a salary slip of 2021, but the orders passed in 2024. My assets and liabilities were filed in 2023, my lord, and my only submission, my lord, is that it would not indicate her true income as on the date of consideration of the application. That's the first aspect. Second aspect, my lord, is she herself has voluntarily deserted me and leaves me in 2000.
That she has a valid reason for that.
I mean, that's a question of trial, my lord. Anyway, that's the next submission.
No, which year are these petitions?
2019.
No, let till the proceedings are concluded. Anyhow, it's a MC of 2019.
Please, my lord, please.
We'll pass we'll direct the trial court to dispose of it as expedient.
Very well, very well.
Within 6 months.
Please.
Now, in the meantime, you continue to pay that 7,000, whatever that's granted
Yes,
by the court, and let the respondent also place her latest salary slip before the court, and then let the court decide it.
Yeah, my only submission, my lord, is it's been ordered from the date of the application, 2019. So that's in arrears of almost 5.5 lakhs. My lord. It's a huge burden on him. His parents are separated. He's living all alone here, my lord. So that can be reduced to. I've paid 1 lakh without prejudice already. That can be reduced to.
1 lakh would be for how much? For how much?
My lord, the arrears as on date, there's 59 months arrears, my lord, counting. That works at about 5 lakhs 30, for which he has paid 1 lakh. Before filing of this petition, you paid 1 lakh before the trial court. Now the arrears are about 4.
Said the arrears would be 5 lakh?
5 lakh 30,000 as on 59 months from 14/10/2019 as on date, my lord. Would be about 5 lakhs 30,000.
What do you say on this?
Not done. According to me, the arrears are not 4,27,500. 4,27,500. 1 lakh, my lord, has already been deposited before the family court.
1 lakh is already paid.
Yes. So the petition has been filed after I filed an application before the family court to strike off the respondent's defense on the ground that they have not.
No, it was filed much before that. In fact, I had not got the order. The order had not been released, my lord. That is my difficulty.
No, I live with my parents. My father is retired from a private company, doesn't have any pension. My mother is a cancer patient. She's undergoing treatment.
Even
He lives in his own house.
Even assuming that your salary is 1,16,000 or 60,000.
16.
150.
1,000.
Yes.
150.
Her salary
Illa,
is 19,000. However, it is.
98 is what she's indicated in 2021, my lord. As on date, if you let her produce a
No,
salary
that's
slip as on.
be done. But you have to pay something to.
No, my lord, she has left me. I am in fact filed a RCR petition asking her to come back, my lord. She leaves me for whatever reason in 2019. Then says I'm unable to consummate the marriage. Reason is urged subsequently in October after 20 months of marriage.
Will deposit another 1 lakh.
Yes, my lord. I'll deposit another 1 lakh, my lord. And I'll continue to pay till the disposal of the petition. I'll pay at 7,500, my lord.
Remaining arrears. Remaining, no, his income, not 18 lakhs. Income tax returns filed by him. I don't know why my learned friend is making this submission.
Chilla, that is what is indicated in the traces form, my lord. The
Income-
court is
Income tax returns filed by him. 18 lakhs is in the income per annum.
that is considering his LIC premium, all those other aspects.
Salary,
All that
my
has not been indicated. It is.
salary 18 lakhs. His own income tax returns filed before the court below.
Allow me kindly see this his traces form, which clearly indicates what his take-home salary is 1,16,458.
The impugned order not records his income as 18 lakhs 20,000 817 per annum. Gross salary is 1,50,000 rupees per month.
The letter file a statement up to date, my lord, which indicates her payment as on 2023.
That's already done. No, that will be, I'll ask the trial court and the respondents to do it.
Please.
Now, what should happen till then?
No, my lord. My only concession, my lord, is that let there be some order, my lord, at least for the arrears from the date of application till the date of the order. I'll pay some.
Coming to 4,27,000.
Yes, my lord, for which I've paid 1 lakh already.
You already paid 1 lakh.
Yes, my lord.
I will say, let him deposit another 1,27,000 and the case be decided within 6 weeks, 6 months.
Please, my lord.
Balance of the maintenance.
No.
I'll pay the balance.
1,27,000 he'll pay. 1 lakh he has already paid.
Yes.
It comes to 2,27,000. Now, whatever the court decides within immediately after the order, he'll comply with it.
But the arrears are as of today. So the balance, let him pay within the
It
period.
happened from 2019 to 2020 for interlocutory application.
Oh, Lord, I have been, one, there was no presiding officer for almost 8 or 9 months. I have filed my.
Difficulty, what is happening is, all this right from the date of petition, even for the person who has
To pay, I understand.
so it becomes
I understand.
a big task. And like
Within 6 months, let it be paid. Now, before disposal, let him deposit.
My lord, I'll pay for the areas. I'll pay maybe that consideration will be given to me, my lord, because he's also having some difficulties, my lord. He has lost his.
What is that?
No, in terms of the areas, my lord, maybe reduced to a certain amount, my lord. I'll pay that immediately, and I'll continue paying at this rate till the disposal of the petition, my lord. Because
Can't be done. It can't be reduced.
no, my lord, I have.
Unless you will get the time, man.
No, I will make sure it is paid immediately, my lord. Whatever this honorable court decides.
Lives in his own house.
It's not his own
I'm
house.
sorry,
It's-
ma'am. Lives in his own house in Bangalore. Here, look at the doctor. I'm taking care of my parents. My mother is undergoing cancer, and I'm the only child. I mean, the only earning child. They themselves say that my brother's an alcoholic. He's got psychological issues. He's not with the family at all. I'm taking care of my parents, both my parents. Therefore,
Then we'll do something. You place before this court what is her income from 21 to 24.
22 is when I filed the note. In March
No,
2022.
he says it's in 21.
21, my lord.
I have the affidavit here. My learned friend's dates, somehow don't mean seem to match the records. I have the affidavit here.
No, her salary maybe filed in 2022. The salary slip of
His salary.
2021.
21, the wife's salary is how much?
Yes, it's shown as 98,000 in 2021.
22.
98,000 in 2021, my lord. The orders passed in 2024. So for 3 years, my lord, there's definitely going to be some increment in terms of a salary.
You said it is 1919 or N9?
98, 98, my lord.
90.
98,000.
No, when her salary is 98,000, Mr.
Yes.
Raj, when her salary is, I was under the impression it is 19.
No, 98.
No, the read
No, 98,000.
Yes.
His salary is 1,16,000.
1,50,000. The finding of the court is there. No, the reason the court is awarded is I have shown my parents as my dependents. My father is retired. My mother is undergoing. I placed all those records before the court. He has absolutely no liabilities, my lord. I have to take care of my aged parents. 7,500 rupees, my lord. I understand if it was 25 or 30,000 rupees, my lord, in addition to 98,000 rupees. 7,500 rupees, my lord, is directed to pay.
Please
So the-
understand, this is not like because the matrimonial cases are pending. That is a right. As of right, the wife should have maintenance.
Not because of that. But look, the court took into account the fact that I have 8 parents, both are retired. Look, my husband's mother stays in Kuwait.
Was he taking care of your parents before when both of you are together? No. Then that is not his concern at all.
Rajneesh Neha says
Hmm.
the wife's dependents are unable to maintain themselves will have to be taken into account while awarding me. That's what the Supreme Court says.
So there are some judgments with them. If he is taking care of them, even during the pendency of the matrimonial relation, then it's a different aspect.
Rajesh Neha says categorically where a wife has dependents who can't take care of themselves, then that aspect must be taken into consideration. My lord, 7,500 rupees, a person who earns 1.5 lakh rupees and no liabilities. My mother's undergoing cancer. I'm taking care of the entire treatment single-handedly. Admittedly, I have placed all those records on court. 7,500 rupees.
So even if both of them are together,
Yes.
will he pay maintenance for his mother's
Then,
maintenance?
my lord, then I would be taking care of my mother. He would be taking care of me. I would be taking care of my mother's expense, my parents' expenses. My lord, 7,000 for a person who has 1.5 lakh, my lord, is not something that is that's extraordinary or something that's beyond his means. He has absolutely no liabilities. 7,500 rupees. I understand not if your lordships want grant him some concession in the manner
From
of
how
payment
many-
of arrears.
From how many days they are living separately?
From 2019, he left the matrimonial home and went.
It's my home. They're living together. Her own statement says she left me. Lordship, you can see page 30. I left the matrimonial to July 2019. I was only then the respondent. I relented and agreed to see
So
a
he
doctor.
wants restitution.
Yeah, I've asked for restitution of conjugal rights as well.
Marriage is not consummated.
Hmm?
Marriage is not consummated. My ground for annulment is that. Medical records are. In fact, I've said fraud was played upon me. I was never informed of his condition before marriage. If I'd known that, I would not have married.
He knew me from 2012, man.
You don't want a divorce?
No, my lord. He's in filed RC petition. He wants the back, my lord. My instructions are he has consummated the marriage.
She doesn't want.
She doesn't want. She has no interest.
She don't want to join you.
She has expressed she doesn't want to.
Hmm.
No, in fact, even if the matter could be
So no,
mediated.
unnecessarily with all this now you have to pay maintenance.
No, I understand, my lord, but if the matter is mediated, we can settle the matter once
Had
and
it
for
not
all.
been pending like this, you don't have to pay.
No, that's why I said I'm coming forward to pay, my lord. 1 lakh, I'll deposit. I'm not trying to shy away from my responsibilities. But in terms of the argument that I have to take care of his mother and his
So
father.
what you do is, Mr. Govindra, right from 2021 till now, what's her salary?
We'll find
Her income tax returns, please file before the court. Basing on that, we'll pass a
I
fine.
also make this request, my lord. My learned friend has graciously agreed, my lord, to deposit 1 lakh rupees towards arrears of maintenance. And if we can go to mediation and also, because my lord, now what? 5 years separation, 1 year of marriage.
No, I'm ready, my lord. In fact,
No,
in
problem is for him, it's not a simple case where she's seeking annulment of
Yes, my
marriage
lord.
on the ground.
Exactly.
No, if both of us agree to file a petition for divorce by consent, then I can withdraw my annulment petition and mutual consent.
No, in fact, I'd even proposed that, my lord. In fact, when they went and filed a police complaint now in 2023, a 498 complaint, I had even proposed to pay an entire sum of 10 lakhs as full and final settlement, close the matter. But she wants 60 lakhs. So she's very stubborn on that.
Somewhere in between, my lord, I will
10
discuss
lakhs
with
is
her.
what he has
No, I will
paid, my
discuss
lord.
with her maybe about 2025 because they say 14 lakhs is the marriage expenses. Over and above that, something if he pays, my lord, I will convince her.
Please, my lord, I'll talk to my lord.
Let them deposit 1 lakh, my lord, and then we'll go to mediation.
No, let him come back with this.
1 lakh, anyway, you have to deposit. 1 lakh you deposit.
Please.
Now, if the 10 lakhs, whatever is arrived at, you will have your concession for
Yes.
that.
Yes.
No, they will.
Petitioner,
They will not agree for 10 lakhs, my lord. They will then put pressure on me.
That's it.
Anyway, I'll deposit 1 lakh.
Petitioner, the writ petition is filed questioning the order of interim maintenance passed by the trial court whereby the court had granted an amount of rupees
500.
7,500 to the wife. Then council submits that his salary is 1,16,000 and the wife's salary is 98,000.
98,000.
98,000 and still the court had granted 7,000 as maintenance. It is submitted that the wife had filed a petition seeking annulment of marriage and the husband had filed a petition under the seeking restitution of conjugal rights. It is submitted that there is a scope for settlement. Considering all these facts, the husband, they shall be stay of all further proceedings.
It's already granted, my lord. It's granted. You
Already
have to extend.
The husband shall deposit an amount of rupees 1 lakh within
10 days, my lord, or 2 weeks, my lord.
within 2 weeks. And in the meantime, if there is any scope for settlement or the same shall be placed before the court. For this matter.
Also, the salary slip.
30th.
Salary slip.
30th.
Yeah, I will file.
And by the next date of hearing, learned counsel for the respondent shall file
Well, both parties file. Even he
Please,
filed one,
I'll
two
also-
years.
I'll
shall file their respective salary slips and income tax returns for the
Very
year
well.
21, 22, 23,
The latest-
24 also.
Please, my lord.